Oh.
You did it.
Yeah, man.
Good job.
Right on. Hey, bud. You're so big. Hey, how's it going? Oh. 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 He gave me some attitude, that one.
How's it going? Oh. 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 Oh.
There he is. Hey, guys. Ooh. So apparently it's not too hard to find porpoises in Stories Beach here. All right. Campbell River Lookout hike. See if we get to the top.
Oh, what? I'm dead, man.
Keep going there, aviator. It's hard to get like a real glimpse of how steep it is, but oh yeah. Actually, this gives you a nice west-facing view. Right on. Look at that. Oh, not bad.
Beautiful.
Yeah, man.
Oh, that's beautiful. Look at this. All these trees and mountains. Look at all that clearing, eh?
Yeah.
Go for
Yeah.
it.
Nailed it.
Okay. Let's take it off. You did it.
Yeah, man.
Good job.
Right on.
You did it. We got up there.
Holy shit. Go to the dirt there, Anna. Yeah. We made it. That's awesome. Okay, you're still alive.
A little distracted. Oh my god! I'm screaming over the fact that the lake is covered in ice.
It's a bit of an ice field here, eh?
Holy shit!
Oh shit. Oh yeah. Huh. This is Foster Lake, or Iceberg Lake.
Very actually
Yeah. The slope coming back down. Yeah. Fucked. So just a little lake. Holy shit. Oh yeah. Wow. Whoa! Oh, little butterfly. Ah. Oh yeah. Little mound of rocks. Oh man. Oh, we saw one of those ptarmigans, eh? To the mountain. That's a good little ridge walk too. Nice. Kind of lakes, like the lake, the Great Lakes at all, like. Yep.
To this, it's a Saturday like today. There's not a single other person up here.
Besides my neighbor.
Yeah. Well, no,
Yeah. So I don't know whether the trail might kind of avoid this bit here and just go right up through there. So I have no idea where to go from here. This doesn't feel right, and all of a sudden,
we can get across right there.
yeah, and then up there.
Yeah, start going up.
But we don't know what's behind that in terms of that gully.
Well, I think we're liable to be left out
Yeah,
if we go up there.
yeah. So do you want to turn back, or do you want to try to go up that way?
I'd like to get a view that way.
Yeah,
You know?
yeah. Do you want to try to cross up there, up that way? I think we can do this all the way up, Chris. I think we can do this the whole way up. I got a good feeling about this, actually. Chris, I found the trail! We're not on the right route. I don't know if you've noticed that already or not. One of the better views though I've had of the park.
Oh yeah, this
That's for sure. Like, oh yeah, yeah. Like you don't get views of like Septimus and Rousseau and.
There's the name. Thank you.
Oh, okay. Oh fuck! Look at the ants on there. Ay, ay, ay. Look at those ants. Nice views up here, but all you get is fucking flying ants. Huh. What's that? Wow. The Golden Hind. There's something like very kind of Jurassic about that mountain.
Yeah, I mean, like, why is that there? There's a cool way.
Yeah, right.
I don't know.
Good job, Caitlin. That's so funny. Is he still there? Yeah. He keeps looking back here like. Look at the size of him, he's massive.